Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action taken through your referral. It offers flexibility, passive income, and the potential for high earnings. Here is a detailed guide on how to get started and succeed with affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves three main players: merchant or advertiser, the brand or company that sells a product or service; affiliate or publisher, the person who promotes the merchant's product or service in exchange for a commission; customer, the end user who purchases the product or service through the affiliate's link. The process works like this. You promote a product through a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase or completes a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter, you earn a commission. Steps to start affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Here's how to do it. Identify your interests. Choose a niche you are passionate about, as you'll be creating a lot of content around this topic. Research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to understand the demand for products or topics in your chosen niche. Evaluate competition. Look at other affiliates and websites in your niche. Ensure it's not overly saturated but has enough demand to be profitable. Join affiliate programs. After choosing a niche, you need to find affiliate programs that fit. Here are some popular affiliate networks and programs. Amazon Associates, ideal for a wide range of products. ClickBank offers a variety of digital products and courses. CJ Affiliate connects you with major brands and products. ShareASale, a good mix of physical and digital products. Affiliate networks of specific brands. Many companies have their own affiliate programs like Shopify and Bluehost. Build a platform. To promote affiliate products, you need a platform. This could be a blog or website. Start a blog using platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Create content relevant to your niche or maybe a YouTube channel. Make videos reviewing or discussing products in your niche. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to reach your audience. And don't forget email marketing. Build an email list and promote affiliate products directly to subscribers. Create quality content. Content is the cornerstone of affiliate marketing. Focus on creating engaging, informative, and helpful content that adds value to your audience. Here are some content ideas. Product reviews. Write detailed reviews of products in your niche. Comparison posts. Compare different products or services to help users make informed decisions. Tutorials and how-tos. Teach your audience how to use a product effectively. Listicles. Create lists of the best products in a particular category. Case studies. Share your experience with a product, including benefits and challenges. Drive traffic to your content. Without traffic, your affiliate links won't get clicks. Here are some strategies to drive traffic to your content. Search engine optimization, or SEO. Optimize your content to rank higher in search engine results. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Paid advertising. Use Google Ads, Facebook ads, or other platforms to promote your content. Email marketing. Send newsletters or updates to your email subscribers, directing them to your content. Monitor and optimize performance. Track your affiliate marketing performance to understand what's working and what isn't. Here's how. Analytics tools. Use Google Analytics, SEMrush, or other tools to track traffic, clicks, and conversions. A/B testing. Experiment with different content types, layouts, and call-to-action buttons. Feedback and engagement. Listen to your audience's feedback and engage with them to build trust and loyalty. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. Build trust with your audience. Be transparent. Disclose that you are using affiliate links. Honesty builds trust with your audience. Promote quality products. Only recommend products that you have used or thoroughly researched. Provide value. Focus on helping your audience rather than just selling products. Stay updated on trends, follow industry news, stay informed about new products and trends in your niche, adapt to changes. Be ready to pivot your strategy based on market shifts and consumer behavior. Diversify your income, multiple affiliate programs. Don't rely on a single affiliate program. Diversify your income sources by promoting different products and services. Expand your content types. Experiment with various content formats such as videos, podcasts, and webinars. Potential challenges and how to overcome them. High competition. Focus on niche markets. Target specific segments within your niche to reduce competition. Differentiate your content. Offer unique insights, personal experiences, or exclusive deals to stand out. Maintaining audience engagement. Consistent content creation. Regularly update your platform with fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments, emails, and social media messages promptly. Staying compliant with regulations, FTC guidelines. Follow the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines for disclosing affiliate relationships. GDPR and privacy laws. Ensure you comply with data protection and privacy laws when collecting and using customer data.